How to turn on groups SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on groups SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings. Click on it and then click notifications and go down. Here you will find groups. Click on it. Now all you need to do is just turn SMS on and now go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.